I'm Claire, and this is my assignment for the week 2 of Digital Communication course. Today I'm going to introduce the uses and gratification theory, and then I'm going to present the article I choose to talk about, and to analyze and criticize it, and to finish I'm going to apply the knowledge of the article to a brand's Facebook page. So just to start, the uses and gratification theory shows that everyone chooses to use one media or another media because individuals seek out media that fulfill their needs. So as you can see, I choose to talk about the article Why People Use Social Media, a Uses and Gratification Approach. It was written by Anita Whiting and David Williams. The purpose of this article is to demonstrate the importance of uses and gratification theory to social media, and to explore and discuss the uses and gratifications that consumers receive from social media using uses and gratification theory, but also to understand why consumers use social media. This article introduces a study who was made with 25 people who were interviewed, and they were between 18 and 56 years old. It identified 10 uses and gratifications for using social media, which are social interaction, information seeking, pastime, entertainment, relaxation, communicatory utility, convenience utility, expression of opinion, information sharing, and surveillance knowledge about others. But as you can see, the authors focus on the seven first theme. So in this article, the author introduced first the uses and gratification theory and the theme they found. They explain it, and then they just analyze the results, and they make a discussion. They analyze the answers of people. They give percent numbers of how people say this seems or not. And then they conclude and give their reference. In my opinion, I found this article pretty interesting. And I think the uses and gratification theory is pretty true and pretty realistic, and the themes are pretty realistic as well. But I think that the study they made is not really relevant. I mean, they just interviewed 25 people, which is nothing, because 25 people are not representative of the world. So social media are used by people from all around the world. So to interview just 25 people, I think it's not really representative. But I think the themes they found in the uses and gratification theory are pretty relevant and pretty realistic. But I think that the result and the percent numbers they found are not really realistic. For me, it will be more relevant to interview more people to have more realistic number. So to apply the knowledge of this article, I choose to talk about the McDonald's page. And in the McDonald's page, I found 3 themes of the uses and gratification theory. which are social interaction, information seeking, and entertainment. So as you can see, it's the McDonald's page from the United Kingdom. They have around 56 billions of followers. It's really huge. So they have a community management really strict and really efficient. So the first theme I found is social interaction, which is in the article the first theme who people talk about, who was mentioned by people. I mean, it was mentioned by 88% of people of the respondents, and in the article it says that. People say that Facebook is a place to interact and socialize with others, and people have more contact with people via social media than face to face. It's a way to interact with different type of people. So, as we can see, McDonald's uses social interaction in its community management because as we can see, for example, they made a game with the Monopoly game in McDonald's. Every year they made this game in the restaurants, but it's also present on the social networks and here on Facebook. So this game leads to social interaction, and it's a way for people to interact and to communicate with other people. But here, not here, but what is it? Here, you can see a post where it's written, "Share if this is your ultimate instant win. Attack McDonald's Monopoly." So here, the McDonald's Facebook page just say to people to share the content and to make an interaction with other people. So McDonald's want people to interact, to share their content, and this is what it was explained in the theme social interaction in the article. Then I found the entertainment theme in the Facebook page of McDonald's, which is in the article. It's the first theme, and it 64% of response reported that they use social media as a source of entertainment. Entertainment means that people are going to social network to playing games, listening to music, watching videos, reading comments, and stuff makes them laugh. So here you can see in the McDonald's page, I can take once again the example of the Monopoly game, but there are a lot of posts for the Monopoly games, like here, like I talked about before. Here, it's some example that shows that McDonald's make a game for people for relaxing and just have a good time on the Facebook page, and they're just playing a game. They're just thinking about another thing. They're just playing game to win some presents. So it corresponds to the theme of entertainment that was evoked in the article. And to finish, the third theme I found is expression of opinion, which, as you can see in the article, is here. And this type of social media use was mentioned by 56% of response. And expression of opinion means that people express thoughts and opinion. They like liking posts and photos. They like commenting on updates, sharing comments on other page. They like to express opinion anonymously and criticize others. And here we can see that it's the case on the McDonald's Facebook page, because we can see that a lot of people see the content, a lot of people like the content, a lot of people share the content, and a lot of people comment the content. They express their feelings, they express what they are thinking, they interact with others, and it's just a way to say what they think. Here you can see as well that a lot of people like, share, and comment, and we can see as well that McDonald's respond every time, almost every time, to the comments of the consumer. So they are listening to their consumer, and the fact that McDonald's responds to the comments of their consumer is also a proof of social interaction, because on the Facebook page is not a one-way communication, it's a two-way communication. People can interact with other people, but as well with McDonald's. Here we can see as well a lot of people likes, a lot of people share, and a lot of people comments. So to finish my assignment, I choose to talk about the article Why People Use Social Media, Uses and Gratification Approach, which talk about a study who was made to analyze the 10 themes of the uses and gratification theory. And I found on the Facebook McDonald's Facebook page from the UK that social interaction, entertainment, and expression of opinion are themes used by the McDonald's community manager. Thanks for listening, and see you next week. Bye!